Hey YouTube, so I'm here with a quick tutorial on how I did some knotless braids. So I'm going to get right into my setup. So my hair is freshly blow dried, washed, blow dried, and I kind of already separated. So this is the gel that I use. Everybody pretty much knows this yellow jam, known for being the best gel for braiders. So my right hand is the one that I kind of just held up. So you want to split your hair into 3 parts, and so. And then you just want to start a regular plait. So here I am just starting the plait. And then when I get back to my left hand, as you can see, my pointer and my thumb, that's where you're going to slide the hair in. So I kind of hold the hair a specific way between my thumb and my pointer as well. And then you just kind of slide it right in. So we'll show you, just slide it in your finger. And then plait down again. So back to the right and the left. So once you get back to your left hand, you're going to do the same exact thing. So my pieces are usually smaller, the first piece, and then the second and third piece are the same exact size. So. Sorry, y'all, I was struggling separating his hair. Then you slide it right in. And that's pretty much it. I feel like knotless are so easy to learn once you figure out like where to add the hair. But for me, the easiest way to do it is just the sliding in place method. So again, back to the right. So once it gets to your left hand and you get between the pointer and the thumb, you just slide the piece of hair in there, such as so. And that's it. So I'm going to fast forward because the rest from here is just braiding it down like normal. So random in between, but here's a setup of my hair. So I got that little hair stool from, I think Michael's, but you can find it at Walmart or anywhere. So that's just how I pre-part my hair to prep for the knotless. So here I am doing the same exact thing. So this method for me was fairly simple to learn. So I learned this pretty much, this is my third time I think doing knotless. But I learned it fairly quickly. So once you get the hang of it, it's actually, to me, a lot easier than regular box braids to like figure out how to do. So here I am just trying to figure out this parting. Ooh, I'd be struggling to part though. That's one thing I could not get. So yeah. The struggle just be so real parting. Shout out to everyone who could just part on the first try, like y'all the real MVPs. So again, you just separate the hair into 3. And then you start a regular plait. So for me, I always add it when I get back to my left hand. So that's my left hand with the pointer and the thumb. And I had Spectra braiding hair, and I don't know, this braiding hair just was not cooperating with me. Like I usually use the Xpressions pre-stretched. But this quarantine, I could not go to the beauty supply store, of course, and I already had the Spectra in the closet. But it was just not my friend this go around. So again, just start the braid. And then once you get back to the left for me, you take the hair and just kind of slide it right into place between your pointer and your thumb. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to fast forward again just while I finish this braid out. to show y'all the front because I do the front a little bit different. Just because, you know, your hands, I can't wrap my hands like around the back of my head to braid, if that makes sense. So I braid it from the front. So again, you start your plait like normal. And so that is still my left hand. But instead of your pointer and your thumb, you're going to slide the hair between your middle finger and your pointer. So I'm not sure if it's making sense. But for some reason when I do the front, this is the only way I can get the front to work. But you just simply do the same thing as far as the same concept. You just slide the hair in place. So wherever you're holding your hair at, that's where you're going to just slide the hair into. Just like so. And then you just keep braiding from there. And I just gradually add gel as well as I go down. So this is how I do the front of my hair. I cannot do it any other way. I tried, and it just ain't, it ain't for me. So yeah, from here you just continue braiding on down. So here is my final look. So this look took me a total of about like 7 hours, give or take, a couple breaks that I took. So I already dipped my ends and foamed my hair just with some tropical roots foam. But yeah, so I am in love with this style. I used 1 pack of the 3 times Spectra hair, and I think the second pack I used maybe for 1 or 2 braids on the second 3-pack. So all in all, not too much hair, but if you feel in the video, subscribe if you want some more. But yeah, this is my knotless.